Hey there, Explicit Search is here to bring you with tech tutorials. Today I'm gonna talk about how to make your own dual screen setup. Now this video is for those who don't have HDMI based LED screen. So let's get started.
For that you first require a VGA to VGA cable. Now for this specific long wire you can go and check out the link in the description box below. The last thing you will require is this VGA to HDMI port, and for this I have also given the link in the description box below.
Now all you have to do is just connect these things, the VGA wire to the HDMI port and the other side of the VGA to the back of the LED. Just give me a second, I do all the assembling and show you. Now you can simply enjoy the benefits of double screen. I have done all my work. If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe to the channel, and thank me later.